In this Connect the Dots drawing video, we're going to draw a seahorse together. Get your dot-to-dot printable template in the description below, grab your art supplies, and let's draw in color, everyone. So here's number 1, and we're going to start there and go all the way to number 7. A nice gentle curve. And from 7, a bump out to 8 to do the nose, like that. And then a gentle curve to 10 and just a little bit past, like that. Now back at 10, you're curving and stopping at 13. And from 13, we're doing a wave to 17, and you're going to do a curve past 17. Like that. 17 to 19, you're going to curve and do a point. And stop there. And now here we're going to be doing a lot of spikes. So 19 to 21. Curve out. And then from 27 all the way to 32. Now at 32, I want you to do a little curl. Now right at the tail, we're going to do a curl. Just like that. Now back at 32, we're going to curve around and a curl all the way, and we're going to keep on going, a nice gentle curve, basically back to number 1. Easy, right? And here, if it's easier, you can pull your pen from 1 backwards, or you can push, whatever is easier for you. I'm going to work backwards. So now what we're going to do on our seahorse is the coronet, which is this portion right here. So we're doing a lot of zigzags happening. And once we're done that, then we're going to do the dorsal fin. So back here at number 2 is where you start, and you curve up to A, down to B, curving to a point at D, and then swooping back down to E, like that. And here, you can keep on doing this through the letters, but I'm going to go back to some of these numbers to help guide me as well. So, back here at 52, I'm actually curving to E and up to F. And then again, swoop down to G. And that's basically the technique, and you're going to do that all the way down the coronet. So here we're going to do the dorsal fin, and you know what? It's the same idea. Start at 45, curve up to capital A, swoop to B. Now we're going to work on the pectoral fin, which is right behind the jaw here. So what I want you to do is, like we did on the other wounds, you're going to swoop up, swoop down, and then connect back to the jaw, like that. And here, just define it that way. Now, from the pectoral fin, we're going to follow the line of the spine here and go all the way to number 31. Now I've got my thinner marker, and I'm actually going to do the eye with this. So right here we did the eyebrow, so the eye is going to be in this place right here. So you're going to draw an oval. Well, an arc, not an oval, I guess you should say. And then connect it that way. I like to draw the highlight next, because then I can draw the pupil and iris around it. Just like that. I'm going to give a little eyebrow right here, just for fun. And maybe some eyelashes. I'm not going to draw the lines here in the keel because I don't want to smudge my markers when I color them. So I am going to work on this later. And a couple little things we forgot to here. We could do this now or later. Smile lines and a nostril. So I'm going to take my thinner marker again, and someplace over here I'm just going to start drawing squiggly lines. This side, just to make it look like the seahorse is in seaweed. Now let's add a few bubbles here too. Now our seahorse is all done and we're ready to color. First I'm going to start with my base colors, and then I'm going to move to shadows later on in the video. While we're coloring, let's learn some fun seahorse facts. Fact number 1. Seahorses are actually classified as fish. Fact number 2. Seahorses don't have eyelids like most fish, so therefore they sleep with their eyes open. Fact number 3. Seahorses have no teeth, so they have to suck all of their food. Fact number 4. The average size of a seahorse ranges from 0.6 to 14 inches, or if you understand metric, that's 15 to 355 millimeters. As you can see, I've finished all my base colors and now I'm working on my shadows. Fact number 5. Many seahorse varieties can actually change their color to blend in with their surroundings, kind of like a chameleon. Fact number 6. Because of the odd shape of a seahorse and the location of their fins, they are actually really bad swimmers. Now the last thing I need to do to finish off this picture is to draw the lines on the keel or tummy. If you loved drawing and coloring the seahorse with me, check out this video on your screen next.